Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldy. So it's 1 o'clock. So what happened at 1 o'clock? I am hungry. So I am going for my lunch. Where? Starlight Restaurant. So let's go and check. First of all, we'll check what all option they have in a lunch, and then I'll taste it like breakfast. You have seen the breakfast vlog, right? So even I'll do it same for the lunch. So let's go and check what they have for the lunch. Going inside, I'll see what all are there. So guys, to begin with, there is a soup. I love having soup. So there is always two soup. One is a vegetarian and one is a non-vegetarian. Every time, whenever you go, there is a different soup. So this one is a non-vegetarian. So there is a salad counter also. And frankly speaking, I have not taken a salad because who will eat all this gaspos? I want to have a real food now. So because I paid so much money for that. There is papad, achar, like we have in our Indian food. Everything is provided. Now this is a paneer ki bhaji. What is that? Paneer tikka, rice. After that there is some naan, assorted breads. So many breads are there. You can check it out. I was not keen to have this actually. And you can see the buffet is so long. Now what is this? This is a dal, rajma dal. This is paneer makhni. Amazing. See, as I told you, rajma dal. What is this one? Now this one is paneer makhni. This is dahi pakoda. That is aloo ki bhaji. This is Singapore rice. I love Indian rice, not the Singapore. This is tandoori. This is chicken curry. I mean, there are different names, but who cares? We'll stick to the normal chicken curry. And after that, there is tada fish. I'm not gonna have fish because I'm gonna have sweet, so I'm not gonna have fish. Now this is bundi. Yes, this is sweet now. It looks lovely. Yeah, it will be fun to have that. Cake, custard, mousse. So guys, there is so much to eat. You can check it out. This is kheer. So well guys, I have taken my lunch. Let me show you what all I have taken, and I'll taste it one by one, and I'll even tell you an honest review about the food on a Cordelia cruises. So let's see what all I have taken it. So this is my plate. You can see I have taken a roti, chawal, papad, paneer, aloo ki bhaji, rajma dal, dahi vada. This is chicken, this is paneer, this is soup, tandoor chicken, and some Singapore rice. So this is what I have taken it. I will taste it and I'll tell you one by one. I will start from the soup. Let me taste the soup. This is the soup, vegetarian broccoli soup. Amazing. It's fabulous. I can eat this all day, all my life. For soup, 10 out of 10. So let me taste the vegetable thali. This aloo ki bhaji, good enough. It tastes like अगर आप लोगों ने मसाला डोसा खाया होगा उसके अंदर जो भाजी होती है, it tastes same like that. Paneer chili, okay, not that great. I can still give 6 point out of 10. Let me taste this chicken curry. Good, very good. Rajma, I need to change my spoon. Okay, still can give out of 10, 7. Dahi, curry with bhajia in it. Okay, only I can only give 5 for this. Curry can be 100 times better than this. Let's see paneer makhni. Paneer makhni is also good. Let me come to the chicken tandoori, my favorite. Tandoori actually I should not review because any tandoori I love it. Even you will love it. Good for health, no extra calories. Now Singapore rice. Okay. So I have taken bundi, custard, some cake, chocolate mousse and kheer. So let's taste the custard first. The custard one. Let me check where you can see. Yep. Let's taste custard. Very sweet. Okay. I won't say that great. You should definitely try. What about bundi? Good. So let me have the cake. Very nice. Amazing. Mm. Let's have chocolate mousse. First thing I must tell you this, the taste is good and it's not too much sugar in it. So I love this the most. Now the last but not the least, the key.
तो एक्सप्लोजन हुआ यूट्यूबर है चैनल का नेम
Cruising with Goldy.
हाउ मेनी सब्स
30,000. This is also very nice. Guys, you know that I don't like much sweet. The best part of this is not also very sugary. I love it. So in all, out of 10, I can rate, if I have to rate this, 8. Okay, 9. Fine. So I'll have my food now and I'll see you in my next vlog. So subscribe to my channel and wait for the another video. Bye.